Okay, this is a tutorial about NightBots and how to put it on your channel. All right, now this is Geo and I am one of the information girls and I will be doing this tutorial for you today. First of all, you would have to go to nightbot.tv login. Nightbot.tv login. I will have this link in the description box below. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is log in with YouTube. All right, so you click the red button here. All right, now you have to choose the account that you want to put NightBot on. You need to choose the YouTube channel and the email that goes with the YouTube channel, and so that NightBot can get on the correct YouTube channel. So I wanted to go on Information Girls. So I'm going to click Information Girls. You have to put in your password there. Click Next. Now it says NightBot want to access your Google account. You come down here and you click Allow. All right, now you have joined NightBots. The next thing you want to do is have NightBots join your channel as a moderator. And this is how you do that. You'll click Join Channel here. The next step is to head to your community settings. Okay? And you want to enter step 2, you want to copy this link here, okay? Copy the link, okay? Then you want to head over to the channel that you want to put Nightbox on. And for this video, I'm putting it on Information Girls. So I'm going to go to my channel. Okay, I'm in Information Girls. I'm going to click YouTube Studio. Next, I'm going to go down to Settings. Next, I'm going to click Community. And this is where I am going to put the moderator right here. Okay. I'm going to paste in this link in the box that's called Moderators. Paste in the link, and here you see the Nightbox icon has showed up. So I'm going to click on that icon to put it in this box. So there it is. Then I'm going to come down here and I am going to save. Okay. All right. Now we want to go back over to Nightbox and we want to X out of this box here because we've done everything there. Okay. Now, Nightbox will only show up when you go live, okay? So there are 2 things that I do with Nightbox, okay? The first thing I do is put on my spam protection, if that's what you want to do, okay? And you can blacklist words and phrases that you don't want in your live stream. And how do you do that? You click on Options. Okay, and then this says, this is a list of the filtered words and phrases you wish to block. And this is where you put in the words with a comma, and I'm just doing this just for the sake of this video. You just put in the words that you don't want, people typing in your live stream. All right. And then you come down here, it says, enable this setting to have Nightbox check the user's name against the blacklist too. You can just leave all of this like it is, and then you would click submit. Okay, I'm going to go up here and take this out. But this is where you will put all the words that you don't want. This is the list of filtered words and phrases you wish to block. So once you've done that, all you have to do is come down here and click on submit. Okay. The next one is excessive caps. You go here to options. And then here, this says this is a maximum length of time. Nightbox will time out users for when being punished for this spam. So what it is, can they use all caps, or do you mind if they use all caps? If not, then you just want to leave this as it is and then submit. Okay. All right. Excessive emojis, the same thing. You click on options and read what the box says and then make a decision on how many emojis they can use in your live stream. Here is links. This filters allows you to time out whitelist links. This is the list of allowed links entered one entry per line. You can allow entire websites. Okay, like say for instance that someone is coming to your live stream and they want to enter a website link. You can put that website link in here and allow so that when that person drops it in there, it would be allowed. Okay. So with these spam filter protections, all you have to do is just read what it's about, the description underneath each one. And if you want to change something, you go over here to options and do it. All right. So now let's move on to timers. All right. Timers is where you can add whatever you want to put in your live stream. So let's click here where it says add. The first box says, this is your timer name. It has no significance but to remind you what this timer does. So I am just going to put CTFO home business. Okay, that's my home business. Okay, and now this says this is your timer response. You can use command variables to make dynamic responses. So this is your message here. You can put like subscribe to my YouTube channel and put your YouTube link there. But since I want people to join my business, I'm going to put join free home business. uh no money down, no credit card needed. And then I am going to put the website, https, let's see, this is it, and monroe.com. So now that I have put in my name and my message, I am going to look at the interval. It says every 15 minutes. This is interval at which the timer repeats. So if you want to repeat this message every 30 minutes, then you would move uh, the button over to 30. Okay, 30 minutes. If you wanted to repeat every 10 minutes, you move it back. If you wanted to repeat every 45 minutes, you move it over. So it's just really left up to you what you want to do. I'm going to put it back at 15 minutes because that's a good one. Okay, and then this is a minimal amount of chat lines. So I got 2 lines, but I'm going to move it over to like maybe 16 just to be sure that my message is going to show up. Okay, so if you have a long message, you might want to move it to 75 lines or 43 lines. You have to measure that yourself. So I'm going to move it up to like 9 lines or 10 lines, something like that, even though I have 2 up here. But that's just the way I do it. Okay. All right. And then after that, what I'm going to do is submit. So now once that I submit it, it comes back here and it lets me know that it's enabled. So when I go live, this will show up every 15 minutes and then it tells me 10 lines. Okay. Now, if you want to edit this, you can go back in here and edit it. Even though I put 10 lines, I'm going to go back and put uh, 4 lines. Okay. And then I'm going to submit it. Then it changes right here. Now, if I want to add something else, I will come here to add and do the same thing. And then just type in here, uh, false life online. That is my second channel. And then I can just say subscribe. I like to say become family with Boss Life online. And then I'll put my uh channel name here. Channel and then boss. This is just for the sake of this video, okay? Online. Okay? Now, you cannot have two 15-minute messages. So you have to tell it in the interval part here that you want maybe this to be 10 minutes. So that's 10 minutes. So now you got two messages, one at every 15 minutes of your live and every 10 minutes of your live. So and how many lines? It's two lines. Just make that four, just to make sure you get enough room for all of this to show. Okay. Then you come down and you do submit. All right. And then you add another one. So be mindful of your time here. Okay. You have one message that's going to repeat itself in 15 minutes. You have another message that's going to be repeat itself every 10 minutes, every 15 minutes, the first message, every 10 minutes, the second message. If you add another message in there, then you might want to make it every 7 minutes or every 5 minutes. If you add another one, then you might want to make it every 20 minutes. That is how you add Nightbox to your channel. Okay. And this is all that I use. So this is all I can show you at this particular time. Okay. So this is Geo. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial about Nightbox. I am the Information Girl. See you on the next important video.